They want to clean my house by force again. I guess it's because it's not my house. Even when I've been here over 20 years in this particular house in the UK of shit, London, cradle of filth, which I adopted because I'm John Constantine. And do you see any dirt here? For fuck's sake, vamos a ver, you people. The whole world is stupid. You are morons. If you see where I live, I got vegetation out there. This is a basement. I don't see any dirt. I take the rubbish out. What? You just don't wanna leave me alone. You don't want me to grow. You don't wanna let me be. Why you give me a flat and then patronize me over it? And why you put me under the mental health? UK. I was 25 when I came here. And I had no problem back in Spain. You piece of shit. What there? My cat used to sit there. You took my cat. A mushroom grew there. I wanna live it there. I don't see any dirt. I see art. You're gonna have to pay me $1 million for this dirt. Only for the dirt in the carpet. 1 million quid!